Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your review collection thank you page. Okay, so this page is for the people who actually provide negative feedback. Okay, so once someone provide the negative feedback, they will redirect to this page. Okay, so let me open this on editor. Well, this is actually the default page. Here you need to adjust the content, okay, if you like. So by default it has the thank you message and also have another paragraph, okay, but you can also change any content here, okay, and then you just need to put your contact information here. Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, all you just need to click here, okay, and then put your email address. Let's say in my case my email address is sam at GHL okay, that's it. And then if you want to add some additional content, then you can also do this just like any other GoHighLevel page. Okay, so that's it. But if you want to keep everything simple, then you just need to adjust your email address, otherwise everything is already done for you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.